Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you ever feel like washing your hands in style, the bougie way? Look at this sink faucet. It's a work of art.
Ooh-wee, I have never had a sink faucet like this before. This thing is beautiful and it makes my bathroom look so fancy and modern. I think what I love most about it is the way that it looks. Like I said, it gives my bathroom the little pick-me-up that I wanted it to. It gives it a little bougie factor. It is absolutely beautiful. It was pretty easy to install. My husband installed it, and sink faucets are not fun to install, but as far as this one, it went pretty smooth. I love these LED lights, and what I love about them is it's blue when it's cold, it's green when it's warming up, and then it is red when it's hot, so you know what you're getting, and I love that feature. I love how bright they are. It looks pretty when the lights are out. And I love that there's no surprise at what your water temperature is. You can wait for it to warm up and you know that you're getting hot water. So it's great for cleaning the bathroom, and it's great for washing your hands and making sure that they are disinfected with nice, soapy, warm water. Something else that we thought was really cool was that it doesn't take a power source or batteries for the LED lights to work. And also it is very durable. I have kids and a house and they kind of beat stuff up, and this is still working fine.
So this bathroom sink faucet is so nice. It's absolutely beautiful. It gives my bathroom a little bougie pick-me-up that I was looking for. But that's just my point of view.